Hello everyone, welcome to our Become Beauty Expert YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about hair course provided by VLCC Academy, its fee structure and duration. But first let's talk about the sponsorship. This video is sponsored by International Beauty Expert IBE. If you're looking for a career in the beauty and wellness industry, then International Beauty Expert will help to build one. Benefits that IBE will provide are: first, if you run an academy, then you can get accreditation from IBE so that you will be able to give international certification to your students. Second, if you run a salon, makeup studio, nail studio, lash studio or spa center, then you can give IBE certification to your staff. Your staff will be internationally certified and your business will grow a lot. Third, if you have done a course in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian etc. from any Indian academy, then you can take IBE certification. This will make your profile strong. This certificate will help you a lot to grow your career. Fourth, if you want to do job in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian in foreign country, then you can do an international course from IBE. This course will help you a lot in getting a placement in foreign country. Now back to the topic we were discussing earlier. If you like hair care, grooming, making different types of hairstyles and you want to do a hair course, then today I will give you information about the hair course. I will also tell you about the hair course of an academy from where you can fulfill your dreams. There are many academies in which you can do hair courses, but today I will tell you about VLCC Academy. So in this entire video, I will not only tell you about their hair course of VLCC Academy, but also what is its fee structure and duration of this course, how is the placement work, etc. But before that, let us know about hair course. If you want to create your identity in the hairdressing field, then VLCC Academy is an academy you can consider. I am not going to say VLCC is the greatest academy, but its services are quite good. You can do professional hairdresser course from VLCC. You can do courses ranging from basic hair course to advanced hair course. You can do a certificate course in basic hair course. In advance, you can do a diploma in hair course. Also, you can do courses like hair cutting course, hairstyling, etc. During this time, students are taught in detail about color theory, hair cutting, hairstyling, coloring, rebonding, party hairstyle, etc. If you do a hair course from VLCC Academy, a certificate is provided to the students. Here we learned about the hair course. Now let me tell you all about VLCC Academy. VLCC Academy is one of the beauty and wellness companies in India. Full form of VLCC Academy is Vandana Luthra Curls and Curves. Vandana Luthra is an Indian entrepreneur who founded the VLCC company in 1989. This academy is located in 310 locations in 143 cities in 12 countries, including South Asia, Southeast Asia, East Africa. All the trainers of this academy are highly professional, who give detailed information about the course to the students. About hair course provided by VLCC Academy. If you do hair course from VLCC Academy, then you can learn from basic to advanced level. Students will learn about hairstyle, cutting, types of hair, theory, parts of hair, shampooing and conditioning, styling product theory, hairspray, gel, wax, clay, various styling techniques like blow dry, airing, tongue curls, hot rollers, trending up styles, textures and type, knowledge of hairstyling products, hot roller, shine with iron, hair cutting tools knowledge, rebonding, mean cut with razor, mushroom haircut for kids, men hairstyling, different men hair color techniques, etc. are taught. After this course, a certificate is also provided by the academy. Now let's talk about its fee structure and duration. If you do a hair course from VLCC Academy, it costs around Rs 1,50,000. The duration of this course is 2 months. If you do a hair course from VLCC Academy, then only a few students are placed. Rest of the students have to apply for jobs themselves. But after doing the course from here, the internship is not done. Students have to apply themselves for an internship. Talking about the branch of VLCC Academy, they have many branches not only in the country but also abroad. You can get information about VLCC Academy in any city. The main office of VLCC Academy is located in Gurugram and they have many branches and salons. You can visit any branch in your city. Here I gave information about the hair course of VLCC Academy. Let us now give you information about the top 4 hair academies of Delhi NCR. First is Meri Bindia International Academy. Meri Bindia International Academy is one of the best beauty academy in India. Meri Bindia International Academy was started by engineer Mahi ma'am after leaving her job worth lakhs of rupees. Their aim is to provide high quality beauty training to the youth. Therefore, there is no compromise with the training quality at Meri Bindia International Academy. This academy is the best beauty academy in India to make a career in the beauty and makeup industry. This academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award in India by many national and international organizations. Also, this academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award from IBE, that is International Beauty Expert. This academy has 2 branches, one located near Noida Sector 18 Metro Station and the other in Rajouri Garden near Metro Station in Delhi. Artists from big salons from all over India also come to Meri Bindia International Academy for training in advanced beauty, makeup, hair and nail courses. In this academy, only 12 to 15 students are trained in a batch. Hence, students book their seats here 3 to 4 months in advance. Meri Bindia International Academy provides world-class education to the students. This academy provides internships/jobs to all the graduates. Also, big beauty brands of the country give a lot of preference in jobs to the certified students of Meri Bindia International Academy. Second, Tony and Guy Academy. Tony and Guy Academy has branches spread all over the world. He has started this academy in India. This academy comes in the top 2nd. Very valuable hairstyling courses are offered at Tony and Guy Academy. If you do course from here, it will take you 2 months and will cost you rupees 1,80,000. Let me tell you that after doing the course from here, internship/jobs is not provided. If you do a course from here, you have to search for a job yourself. Third is L'Oreal Academy. L'Oreal Academy comes in at the top 3rd number. Apart from hairstyle courses, you can do many courses from here. Let me tell you that after doing the course from here, internship/job is not provided. If you do a course from here, you have to search for job yourself. If you do the course from here, it will take you 2 months and cost you rupees 2,50,000. Fourth is VLCC Institute Delhi. VLCC Academy comes in 4th place. Apart from hairstyle courses, you can do many courses from here. After doing the course from here, internship/jobs is not provided. If you do a course from here, you have to search for a job yourself. The training quality here is so good that you get a job in the market immediately after completing the course. If you do the course from here, it will take you 2 months and will cost you rupees 1,50,000. Today I gave you information about the hairdressing course VLCC Academy provides. VLCC Academy may not be the perfect academy, but it sure does the job. And if you are thinking about doing a hair course, then you can visit VLCC Academy and visit its branch. So friends, if you want to do a professional makeup and beauty course, then visit VLCC Academy today and get your course registered. For more information, visit our website or call on the number given on the screen. Also, if you want information about any beauty academy or beauty course, then comment, and if you liked the video, then like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.